Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. The topic is populus live. Populus live details. Populus live is a UK based survey site where you are paid for sharing your opinion. Populus live works with companies and brands to gather feedback. They also undertake political research, and there are often surveys canvassing opinion on government policies and current affairs. Wildlife pays $1 for every 5 minutes of your time. So if they estimate a survey of them, and wildlife pays $1 for every 5 minutes of your time. So if they estimate a survey will take you 15 minutes, they will pay $3 for that survey. This is a much better rate than many survey cities sites which pay pennies for ridiculously long surveys. You need to earn $50 to be able to cash out, but surveys are fairly regular. Wildlife surveys review formerly populous live Katai saves how to get paid only on live. When you become a member of Live, we will send you instruction on how to get started with completing surveys online. As you complete surveys, you will earn points which equate to money. You will also be asked to provide your payment preference. You will either receive payment through bank transfer or by check. Is wildlife legitimes? Legit as they say, they how they do, they pay out the full $50 and pay you for your hard work. Although I personally do not get much service and it took me a long time to earn $50, I do suggest you try for yourself, but I really hope that I receive a lot more service because I actually really enjoy doing them best service. How do you make money on mid mind swaps? Apply to studies from your dashboard. Once you log in, register if you are accepted into a study after completing a screener. Respond to questions via video from your smartphones, tablets, or webcam. We typically pay USD $50 via PayPal to answer 10 questions for every study you complete. Is Populous Live Legate great website? I have been doing surveys with this company for several years now and think that it is the best online. The surveys do unfortunately rules me out from time to time possible because of my age. But when I do reach the magic 50 points, I know that the check on check will not be a long coming. Well done, Populous, and thanks. Can I earn money from live streamers often monetize their content by incorporating ads into their broadcasts. These ads can take various forms, like display ads, videos ads, sponsorships, product placement, pre-roll ads on YouTube, and more. Many of the most popular live streaming platforms often have their own monetization programs. How to get paid with one 10,000 followers. People with around 1,000 followers can make about $10 post or even up to 14 $20 per month. So even if you do not have tons of followers, you can still make money on Instagram by working with brands. How to make money on Instagram in 2024 social jam. How do YouTubers pay? Ad viewership is the primary way you will be paid on YouTube, at least through Google's YouTube partner programs, however, subscribers are valuable because they are the ones who will most likely comment, like, and share your videos even more else. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you, Allah.